people do is a couple of drills that'll work on pretty much everything that I summarize with all of you guys is, so you want to take a golf ball, line it up so there's golf balls with a little extra gap room in between them. And all I want you to do is line it up so there's a hole. There's obviously not a hole there right now. I'm just going to say I'm going to like this point. And just work on that point should be on my line, my very on the hole. Making sure to go through without hitting the golf ball. Obviously that one I pushed it, so I hit the right one. I just like that one. It's just an easy way to tell you if you're pushing it or pulling it. Kind of way I recommend everyone to chip. It's just a really easy way that makes it really similar to your putting stroke, basically. First what I like to do is I like to get set up and grip at the bottom of the grip. Generally I like to use 9 iron, 8 iron, something like that. And then what I like to do is feet close together. And I like to keep the club a little more on the toe, just because when you have it flat, when it's going through grass like the rough over here, it really has a tendency to grab really easily. When you put it on the toe, it's just giving it just is less friction that's going to be caused by the grass when it's going through it. So that'll avoid you chunking it a lot. And basically what I like to do is get this Y shape in my arm, and I just like to keep that throughout the swing. And you really don't have to make a swing any bigger than your putting stroke when you're chipping either. If you go further away from the hole, don't make a bigger swing, just go down to the lower spot like an 8 iron, 7 iron, something like that. Position, it's all about where your wrist is pointing. So at impact, however you get set up, you want the club, you want your wrist, the back of your hand to be pointing at the target, ideally, at impact.
At where I want to start it.
Yeah.
So then I need to come at least on the backswing, so I can't come like this. I have to just lay it a little bit more.
You ideally want to come up and back on the same plane. So realistically, your aim's pretty good, actually. Your feet are going to be a little left of the target because it's railroad tracks. So your feet are going to be aimed, you want aimed a little left of the target. They're aimed a little too far, because if I do railroad track, you'd still be aiming at the upper left side of that little hill that flag's on. So I'm going to have your feet more about there. Come under with your right hand, that's a good thing, but I want your
have trouble not letting my feet up into the shoulder.
Yeah.
That's why.
That helps, but when you do that, it's a good thing that you're doing it, but when you work on it, make sure you keep the upper part of your arm on you, tucked, because that way when you come back, you never lose that connection, because you're kind of,